Hey guys, how you doing? Looks like there was a earthquake down in Kansas, Kansas City, next to pretty close to Wichita. As you know, if you don't know, Kansas normally don't have earthquakes. They mostly have tornadoes and that kind of stuff, and stormy weather kind of stuff, but never really any earthquakes. That's more of a East Coast or West Coast thing, but this is interesting. So a 3.1, which for that area, for never having an earthquake, is bizarre. So a 3.1 earthquake that happened 2:29 a.m. in the morning, and it's about 9 miles from Salina, Kansas. Salina, Kansas also is pretty close to Lincoln and Nebraska, that area, so very close to that, and a borderline also near Oklahoma City, which Oklahoma has been having some earthquakes and stuff like a 3 point, but this is, I think, the first time usually on Kansas having an actual earthquake. So there you go. Seems like everywhere earthquakes, even places where people move out of California and stuff, and then they try to go into the country or go in the the Midwest and stuff to avoid that, and now you got earthquakes there too. So they've got a double hitter. They've got earthquakes now and tornadoes. So we'll keep you watching that and posting for us more stories regarding this, and please subscribe, and we'll keep posting. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.